Hi guys, today is me Smart Kids by Pearl. I asked my dad to order this to Shopee and here it is. Today I'm going to unbox it. Unwrap it. So let's open it guys. How much is this?
I think I paid 78 pesos only.
Check. Wow.
Let's go. Look at it here. Asan yung pintas mo na? Wow. Couple ano?
Sabi doon tumutunog daw eh.
Huh? Okay,
For
okay
watching
guys.
guys, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.